this waiver creates all kinds of complex administrative systems to track work requirements, to maintain two different HSAs, to have to track what employers offer with their health care, to find out what Medicaid would have to step in and pay on top of that. So there's all these new systems that would need to be created, all this new red tape that is going to cost more. As a matter of fact, just in terms of collecting premiums, which we haven't done for low-income Medicaid beneficiaries before, places like Virginia and Arizona abandoned that idea because they found it was going to cost more to collect premiums than they were actually going to be able to bring in. And so ultimately these new systems that they're creating are going to be more costly than what we're already doing.